Welcome. The following video contains a quick overview on how to create a one-click LCA account. First, we must head to the one-click LCA app webpage. At the bottom, we'll find the registration link. By clicking it, users will be required to fill in a registration form. Remember that the registered email will be later used to link the IGS one-click license and cannot be modified without creating a new account. For corporate members, it is suggested to use a company-wide email to avoid any issues. Once the account has been created, we can proceed to log in and get familiar with the web-based software. The initial interface will show us public demos and sample projects with which the users can get an initial grasp of environmental impact analysis. On the top right corner of the screen, users can access the License Manager, Help Center, and account information. The process to get access to the IGS license will be covered in the following videos.